I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay for online checkout. First, when you're ready to complete your purchase on a website, simply look for the Apple Pay button or logo. This usually appears alongside other payment options. Make sure your Apple device is signed in with your Apple ID. Once you click the button, a secure window will pop up, displaying your default card and shipping details. Take a moment to review these, to ensure everything is correct before moving to the next step. After initiating Apple Pay, you'll be prompted to authenticate your purchase. Depending on your device, this could involve using Face ID, Touch ID, or entering your device passcode. This crucial step ensures only you can authorize payments, adding an extra layer of security to your online transactions. Once authenticated, a final summary of your order will appear. Double-check the total amount and shipping details. With a quick tap to confirm, your payment will be processed, and you'll receive a confirmation message, usually within a few seconds. Managing your payment methods in Apple Pay is straightforward. You can easily add or remove credit and debit cards directly through the Wallet app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Simply open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign to add a new card, or select an existing card to view its details and options. You can also set a preferred default card for even faster checkouts. Remember to keep your billing and shipping addresses updated within the Wallet app to ensure smooth and accurate deliveries for all your online purchases. For the smoothest Apple Pay online checkout experience, here are a few helpful tips. Always ensure your Apple device's software is up to date. This guarantees you have the latest security features and performance enhancements. A stable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular, is also vital to prevent any transaction delays or failures. If you ever encounter a persistent issue, don't hesitate to reach out. Your bank can assist with card-specific problems, and Apple support is available for any device or service-related inquiries, ensuring you get the help you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.